Pursuant to Special Order Number Farmo-E3-2025-09-255, dated September 23, 2025, the designation of Police Major Jose Victor Maroki Sibelino as Chief of Police, Langkagan Municipal Police Station, Bukidnon, Police Provincial Office, is terminated effective September 25, 2025.
Thank you for the privilege serving as your Chief of Police. I leave this role with full heart and lasting respect for each of you. Stay safe, stay strong, and continue to work. This is Police Major Sibelino, your outgoing Chief of Police, signing off.
Officers come and go, pero talaga. So yung official talaga, yung trabaho natin is hindi tayo nag-matter din kung anong pwesto mo. Basta kung saan ka nilalagay, kung saan ka nakapwesto, you multiply. You do your best para ipakita doon. Hindi dahil ipapakita sa ibang opisyal na magaling ka, kundi ipakita mo sa mga tao na pinagsiservisyohan.
Police Captain Jeffrey Sunisa Tacna is designated as official in charge of the Langkagan Municipal Police Station, Bukidnon Police Provincial Office, effective September 25, 2025. Signed, Jubin L. Pulaway, Police Guardian.